This is the cake we got for Armenius because he's been like asking for cake, and I'm gonna give him two of these lovely cherries. Cherries, Armenius, see this? So we're gonna get this for you. I'm gonna cut half of this. So I'm gonna cut half of this. How beautiful this is, right? Okay, and let's give you a small bit of it. Okay, let's get you a small bit of it. How about this much? Okay, this is for you. We'll get you some more later. So, yeah, here you go. This is the Black Forest cake. Okay, it will come with these two cherries for you. So enjoy. This is for Armenians. Here you go. This is for Armenians. Lovely cake. This is how the cake looks like. So lovely, isn't it?